सीखूं बिखूं नई सुबह अपना धीमे होने slowly I'm learning, सीखूं बिखूं नई सुबह Aflatun, English, है जुनून English, morning, noon English, Aflatun, English, morning, noon English, noon English It's all about English Oh, Morning, noon, English. Whoa. So welcome guys, welcome to yet another धमाकेदार फर्राटेदार and मजेदार session by Vedantu Young Wonders. I hope you guys are doing superbly awesome and absolutely well. I'm your host, dost and master teacher Pritesh Joshi from Vedantu. Welcome to the class guys. Hello all of you. And today we are learning a new session of English that is synonyms. What do you mean by synonyms? Synonyms का हिंदी मतलब होता है समानार्थी. So today we'll be learning new ways of telling the same common words but with an added spice and flavor. So welcome to the class guys. Niranjan, the name of the song is English from the movie English. ठीक है चलो. So guys, welcome to the class and guys, you know the drill, right? That you have to connect with me on Vedantu Junior. To connect with me on Telegram, just go to t.me/Vedantu Junior and you can ping me personally. All the teachers of Vedantu Young Wonders are available on the Telegram group, so you can talk to all of them through the Telegram. So connect with us on Telegram. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Very soon we are going to be a family of more than 2 lakh young wonders. So subscribe to the channel and become a part of the family. Also guys, you know that you don't have to go anywhere to subscribe. You don't have to go anywhere else. Right here on the right bottom of the corner, यहाँ पर आपको चैनल का लोगो दिख रहा है. उस लोगो पर जाके क्लिक करो तो सब्सक्राइब ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. Click on subscribe and become a part of the family. It is absolutely free. Not even a single paisa you have to pay. It is absolutely free of cost and you become a part of the Young Wonders family. So go over here, click on the logo of the channel and become a part of the family. Just click on the logo and you will be able to subscribe to the channel. What I'll do is I will change the logo to the subscribe button only so that you'll be able to subscribe easily. Okay guys? Now guys, let us begin the class. And guys, if you want to learn about your academies, if you want to decode word by word your NCERT, you can connect with me on vdnt.in/YT Pro and you can start learning with me with the Pro subscription. The Pro subscription gives you access to unlimited live classes at Vedantu. You also get tests, assignments, study material. You get unlimited in-class doubt solving, guaranteed score improvement, a guaranteed score improvement in your learning. And also guys, you get to choose a timing of your choice. जब आप सीखना चाहते हो तब हम सीखेंगे. So guys, to get the subscription, go to vdnt.in/YT Pro. The link is also given in the description. And guys, if you want a discount, if you want a nice heavy discount, use the code PRPRO. Use the code PRPRO to get a discount. With that guys, let us begin the learning. And guys, as you all know, you should always follow the British English, whether it comes to pronunciation, vocabulary, diction or spellings. You should always follow only and only British English. Okay? So now before starting, I just take few names. Hi Veena, Ajay, Ravi the mentee will be coming. Free Fire. Hi Khalid Mohammed, Ishan, Mariam, Karthi. Then we have got Madan. Hi Madan, that is Ridhima. Then Golden Eye, Sonakshi, Ajay, Baby Doll, Malvika, Anshika. Thank you Ravi for putting the code. Dhriti, thank you so much. Ajay, Heshvita. Then we have got Vivek, Sita Lakshmi. The code will be coming. Then the code for the Pro subscription is PRPRO. Hi Ishan, Som Textile, Savita, Sanskar, Shashank, Veena, Ishan, Ghansham, Chandrabhan. Then we have got Beena Negi. Oh, this time you got a medal in English, Arna. Congratulations, Arna Shivastav, Alok, Paritosh, Ravi Ranjan. Thank you, Prakhar. God bless you too. Thank you, Prakhar. Thank you so much. So guys, I will be taking other names also. Thank you so much, Anushmita. Love you too, Khalid. God bless you. Niranjan, Yash. And we have also got Vijay, Neena, Reshmi, Subha, Savita, that is Yashi, Gladys, Shashank. I took all the names as possible. Hi Anantashri, Golden Eye, है ना, सबके नाम मैंने ले लिया. I will be taking more names also. Navya and all, I will be taking all the names. Just give me a few minutes. So guys, let us learn the synonyms. So let us learn synonyms. ठीक है? The synonym number 1 is for the word important. Instead of using the word important, you can say it is crucial, it is significant, or a very very beautiful word, momentous. Momentous is something that is worth lot of attention. You know, like we saw a spacecraft launch into the sky and it was momentous. Momentous means something that is worth your attention. It is very very important, eye-catching, breathtaking, heart-skipping. It is something like that, and that is called momentous or momentous. Anything that you can say. Okay? Hi Zainab, obviously I remember you. Hi Gamer, thank you Gamer Amen. Hi Jyoti, hi Art and Craft with Khushi, Irfan, Jyoti, Dinesh, Om Prakash, Jyoti, GST, Jyoti, Malvika, happy birthday Malvika, God bless you. Sopan, Dio, Dimple, Veena, Sabah, oh Veena, congratulations, and all of you. So guys, the next is please remember to use the golden words please and thank you whenever you are talking. If it is Hindi also you can use the words, and if it is English also you can use the words please and thank you. And guys, the next word is predominant. Predominant means something that should be given the first priority. Okay? Predominant, paramount importance. Okay, for example, you have to study 4 subjects: English, Math, Science, SST, and tomorrow is the exam of SST. So SST will be of paramount importance. SST will be cardinal. SST will be chief. SST will be predominant. But the words cardinal and chief are mostly used for people. The word cardinal and chief are mostly used for people. So you will use the words cardinal and chief for people, whereas predominant and paramount can be used for other things as well. So cardinal and chief will be used for people. Okay? Now guys, the next is controlling. To control means to have sort of a rule over something, and self-rule also means sovereign. India is a sovereign country. Sovereign means something that rules itself. No other power is ruling India. India is ruling over India itself. So India is a sovereign country. Sovereign, control, regnant, and ruling all mean the same. So regnant also means to control, sovereign also means to control, ruling also means to rule or control. So control, sovereign, regnant, or rule, these are the words. Okay, programmer Siddhi, sovereign means self-rule. Sovereign means self-rule. Hi Prashant, Divyanka, Akshay, independent. Yes Ananya, you're right. Hi Mayank, baby doll, Akshay Khanna, Nasreen, Geeta, Rohini, Anshita from Hyderabad, Akshay Khanna, Vishwajit, Tanmay. Chalo. So guys, that is sovereign, regnant. The word is regnant. Regnant. Okay? And guys, the next word is the word decorate. To decorate means to beautify something, and a very beautiful word that you can use instead of decorate is embellish. You can use the word embellish. Embellish also means to decorate or to beautify. Embellish the cake with colorful candies, which means decorate the cake. Embellish the room with balloons and flowers. That means to beautify or decorate. So embellish is a very very nice word that you can use instead of decorate. Okay? Hi Ajay, Divyansh, Arman, Samved, Niranjan, Knowledge Hub, Ogu Rao, that is Rupesh, Divyansh, Ayush, Divyansh, Upasna, Yoana, and Bhanvi Chopra, Malvika, Vijay, MS Kashyap. I'm good MS, thank you so much for asking me. Next, hi Prakhar, Nadya. Okay, and hello Vijay Lakshmi, World of Legendary Games. ठीक है? Naira, hi Naira, Inish, Prakhar Chauhan. Hi Sanvi, thank you so much Sanvi. ठीक है? Hello Nadya. Hi Nadya from Hyderabad. Piyush, Vijay, Thea. Okay, this name is Treya KK. So guys, let us move on to the last word, and that is lazy. You can use the word idle. Now guys, there are many homophones to idle. IDLE, idle means lazy. idol, idol means a statue, and ideal, ideal means something that is perfect. Okay, so idle, ideally is lazy, idol, idol is a statue, and ideal means perfect. But the synonyms for the word lazy are idle, indolent, or lethargic. Idle, indolent, or lethargic are the words for lazy. Okay, with that guys, the next word comes is violent. Violent means someone who is ready to fight. So the words for violent will be turbulent or disordered. But if you want to say someone who is ready to fight, you won't say that person is turbulent or that person is disordered. You will say the atmosphere is turbulent, the air is turbulent. There is turbulence when you go in an aircraft. There is disorderance. Disorderance means something that is not in place. Okay, so different words are used in context to different things, but these are the synonyms for the word violent. It is turbulent and disordered. So guys, what are the words that we have learned today? We have learned the word important, significant, crucial, and momentous. One of you said that momentous means memorable. Okay, thank you Manoj, God bless you. Hi Krishna Gupta. Hello Tapan, Pavneet, junior scientist, Satya, MS Krishna, Akshat. Chalo, next is predominant, paramount, cardinal, or chief. Next comes controlling, sovereign, regnant, or ruling. Decorate, embellish, or beautify. Lazy, idle, indolent, or lethargic. And guys, the next word, violent, turbulent, or disordered. With that guys, we come to the quiz section of this particular class. So let us play the quiz. Before that, let me see how many of you are ready for the quiz. And how do I see the readiness? By the number of likes. So how many of you have liked the class? How many of you have liked the class? I don't see any likes on the class. Hardly 100 likes. Hardly 100 likes. Come on guys, we are more than 380 in the class. Not even 200, not even 250 likes. Come on guys, quickly like the video so that we can start the Menti. Ahad, I will be telling the quote. Vidya Shankar, British English, because English is a native language of Britain. All the other countries, America or India or all the other countries where English is spoken, they have adopted the language. Whereas English is native to only and only Britain. Okay? Chalo guys, we are almost 400. I want at least 300 likes. 300 likes and I'm starting the Menti. 300 likes and I'm starting the... Okay, okay. Come on. Sai Geetika, may I know why you won't like it? I'm really sorry to disappoint you. Come on guys. At least 300, last 20 to go. Students studying, I will be telling the code. Come on, last 13 to go. Come on. Love to Odisha as well, Pratyasha. Thank you so much. Hi, Amrita Krishna. Come on. Last 8 to go. 4 to go. Last 4 to go. And we are done. Chalo. Okay, Gitika. Love you too, Hamdan. Love you too. All the best, Ishan, for your English test. And guys, here is the Menti code. Quickly go to www.menti.com and use the code 930024. So you have to go to menti.com and use the code 930024. The code is 930024. Go to www.menti.com and put the code 930024. 930024. Hi Pari. Hello Vinita, Praveen. Conspect is power by Ayush. Rishikesh. Abhinav, Deepak, Minakshi, Kanveer, Yona and Bhanvi Chopra. Shaurimi Roy. Ashirwad diye na please. Shaurimi, tomake ashirwad darkar noy. Tumi already bishon blessed acho. I hope I was right. Hi Ashwath. Thank you Saklani. Hi Nita. Sita Lakshmi. Hello. Love you too Sai Gitika. Thank you so much. Thank you Ishan. God bless you. Hi Sakshi. Thank you Ishan. Okay, Satya, even on mobile, you can just go to google.com. There, where you type google.com, you have to type www.menti.com and put the code 930024. ठीक है. जुरासिक वर्ल्ड का क्विज भी हम करेंगे. हाय धृति, you liked it? Shaurimi, chalo, nice, great. Chalo guys, let me see how many of you have joined the Menti. Bhumi, the code is 930024. Hi Katakota, hi Lakshman, hello Adil Ahmed, Dhriti, unknown devil, Priya, Arunish, love you too Arunish, Shaktivel, hi Shaktivel, Veena, I'm great, thank you so much. Hi Hey Shweta, thank you so much. Hi Agrima, hi Mayank Chauhan, hello GST classroom, Nasreen, yes I know Bengali Nasreen, I know it, come on, come on, come on. Hi Ashu, hello Tejas, hi Nancy, Nancy I obviously I remember you, regular student. Chalo. So guys, let me see how many of you have joined the Menti. Let me see the colorful characters. Oh, where are the colorful characters? Okay. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Okay, I think there is some problem with the Menti. I'm just refreshing the Menti, guys. Menti is getting refreshed. Yes, so there we go with the colorful characters. Oh, thank you Snazwen from Malaysia. Thank you so much. Thank you Ashu. Neeta, the code is 930024. Thank you Arushi Shukla. Hi Pushkar, Rohit, Devika, Ajay, Ashu, Hanna Mary Shaji. Hello. Chalo. So guys, more than 400 students have joined the quiz. Let us see. Guys, please read each and every word carefully. This is a quiz based on synonyms. The code is Sangeeta Neeta. The code is 930024. Hi Ashwin from Kuwait. Yes, conspect, I know Bengali. Hello, Kavanjeet. Hi, Talha. So, synonym for unhappy. Synonym for unhappy will be sad, melancholy, depressed, or all of these. What will be the synonym for unhappy? Hi, Zainab. Hi, Zainab. Hello, Kanwaljit Kaur, Kamla, Yona, Ojasvi Singh. Hi Mr. Perfect, Sakshi, Vijay, Minakshi. Thank you Ashu, Ruben. Chalo, 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 chalo. Quickly, 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 quickly. Very good. Let me see how many of you have got it right. Wow. It is not wow. Why not wow? Guys, sad, melancholy, depressed. All of that are synonyms for unhappy. All of these are the synonyms for unhappy. Okay? So, it is 930024. Tukaram, it is 930024. Okay? Conspect, it is 930024. So, guys, let us look at the leaderboard. So, we have got Manav, Menti King Adarsh, Anuj, Mr. Advait, Shubhankar, Frank, Durgashri, Darshan Bhatt. Obviously, I remember you. Durgashri, you were the winner of the quiz. Ajitesh of the previous quiz. Ajitesh and Yantrika. Even Adarsh was the winner of one of the quizzes, if I remember. Yes. So, Manav is the fastest. Let us look at the next question now, guys. That is why I am telling, read all the options. Love you too, Mohsin. Read all the options. Synonym for extrovert. Synonym for extrovert. Reserved, outgoing, antisocial, or introvert. What will be the synonym for the word extrovert? Thank you so much, Anubhav. Thank you so much. Sakshi, the code for joining Menti is 930024. Conspect, tumi ki chai, ami ki bolbo. Tomar sange katha bolchi. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, Sangeeta. Good afternoon, Sudha. Synonym for extrovert. Synonym. Very good, very good, very good. More than 180 students got it right. It is outgoing. Guys, reserved, antisocial, introvert. They all are the same words. Whereas outgoing means extrovert. Okay? Let us look at the leaderboard. So we have got Manav, Adarsh, Advait, Shubhankar, Frank, Durgashri, Rupal, Miren, Anita, and Vedantu Lover. Manav is the fastest. Very good. Hi Mehul. Hello BSc MSc Mathematics. Chalo. Edita, it is an English class where we are learning to speak in English. Okay? Chalo. Combustion and flame will happen. Chalo. Synonym of old will be new, fresh और obsolete. Old का समानार्थी शब्द. I do see Sham, I do see the YouTube comments also. Hi Kanveer, yes, I do know Punjabi. I know Punjabi as well. Hi Rishi. Hello Vivonster. Okay, hi programmer Siddhi. Lockdown timetable. I've already made a timetable on lockdown. I've already made a video on lockdown timetable. Very good. More than 340 students have got this right. Superbly nice. Chalo. So we got Manav, Adarsh, Advait, Frank, Durgashri, Shubhankar, Rupal, Miren, Niku, Atharva, Garg, Oreo on live stream. Okay, I will bring Oreo on live stream as well. So hi Manav, you are the fastest. Congratulations, 3 questions and you are the fastest. Love you too, your school guide. Love you too. हो साई गीतिका, मला मराठी येते कारण माझं बालपण आणि माझं पूर्ण शिक्षण हा महाराष्ट्रातच झालेला आहे, म्हणून मला मराठी येते. आणि हिंदी वीना, मुझे हिंदी भी आती है वीना, हम हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. मलयालम, I don't know Malayalam. I know a little bit of Kannada. Chalo, next question. Synonym for the word funny. Comical, hilarious, hysterical, or all of these. What is the synonym for the word funny? It's okay, Namrata. You can play now. Oh, Rishikesh, your favorite team is Mumbai Indians. That's nice. Hi, Heba. Oh, you know Telugu, Malayalam, Spanish and Battalion Ravi. That's so impressive. Very nice. Welcome to Vedantu, Rajesh Jain. Welcome to Vedantu. Hi, Isha. Chalo. Let me see. Okay, very good, Murthy, very good. More than 250 of you have got it right. Comical, hilarious, hysterical. All mean funny. All of these words mean funny. Okay? Thank you, Masira Khan Pathan. Thank you so much. God bless you. Tanishka, I know Hindi, Marathi, English of course, Punjabi, Bengali, little bit of Kannada and little bit of Gujarati. Okay? Chalo. So guys, with that, let us move on to the leaderboard. We have got Adarsh, Advait, Frank, Durgashri, Shubhankar, Rupal, Miren, Niku, Anita and Maratha. Whereas Adarsh and Advait are the fastest. Very good. We have got 2 students as the fastest. Very good. Amazing. Chalo. So let us with that move on to the next question. The next question is that synonym for weak will be fragile, strong, mighty or heavy. Synonym for weak, fragile, strong, mighty or heavy. Come on. Udiya? No, I don't know Udiya. Okay, your daughter of Vibha. Okay, welcome to the class, dearest student. Hi Manoj. Hello. Synonym for weak, guys. Synonym. Kya Shashank? What do you want me to tell? Punjabi. Ki bola Punjabi ch? Ki sunna hai tenu tu mainu das de, main bol dena. So more than 300 students have answered it correctly. That is great. I will be taking force and pressure also, Nasreen. I will be taking. Tanisha, it's not my birthday today. My birthday is in the month of August. So we have got hi Radha, Shraddha. Thank you, Vivek. So we have got more than 300 students answering correctly. Let us look at the leaderboard. And we have got Adarsh, Advait, Jagrav, Durgashri, Shubhankar, Miren, Rupal, Tanishka, Frosty and Shreya. Adarsh is the fastest and Adarsh is also the winner of the quiz. Very good, Adarsh. Congratulations. You are the winner of the quiz. Arohi Shah. Mane bau Gujarati आवड़ती નથી. थोड़ी आवड़े છે. ठीक है? Okay, chalo. So guys, Adarsh is the winner of the quiz. So guys, that brings us to the end of the class. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, if you have really enjoyed the class, do give this video a big fat thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how you feel about this English Winglish session. Also guys, do not forget to connect with me on Telegram. And guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you and me can every day meet live and play Menti live. So if you want to play with me every day, subscribe to the channel now. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet next, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Keep smiling. Spread the smile, not the virus. Stay indoors. Bye-bye.